Bought and tested 2 of Amazon's most popular outdoor chairs. I'm going to share what I like about each one, what I don't, what you need to know. Both of these, you can't go wrong with either one of these, but there is going to be a clear winner for you based on what you're using the chairs for. I'll kind of go over how I use each chair in kind of my everyday life. We've had these for about 3-ish months now. Really like these a lot. This is going to be the SUNNYFEEL right over here, and this is going to be the PUVASIA, PUVASIA. I did not finish, so we're gonna go over the SUNNYFEEL first, right over here. At first, when I first got this chair, I was like, this is not comfortable at all. That's because I did not read the directions and put it together right. So when it comes like this, your initial inclination is just to open it. And like, it's good like this. What you have to do is pull this up just like that and lock it in. That makes the chair much more comfortable. I'm gonna measure, I'm gonna put beverages and everything. Don't worry, I'll show you everything. This one also has a side piece right over here. Same deal with this. When you open the side, you have to push these things in right over here to lock it in. This could hold 33 pounds over here, which is really nice in terms of that. All right, so in terms of comfort, this is super comfortable. As soon as you put that, make sure you lock that thing down. Really nice. I am 5'11", 250. So this is kind of what it looks like for me. In terms of what can you do with this chair, you could easily get a plate right over here. You could easily get a can of soda or the beverage of your choice. You could even get a wine glass in here if you really wanted to. So you have that option as well if you wanted to do that. Over here is going to be the ultimate kind of like pouch situation going on here. So this could hold up to right over here. You'll see right over here, we got all sorts of stuff in here that you could put in here. This is going to be great for like cell phones right over here if you want to zipper them up. And you could put like a tablet if you wanted to as well. Just a lot of different stuff going on in here. So these could hold up to 300 pounds. Also, you got a nice little mesh right over here. This does kind of have a little back hook that you could just like kind of pick it up and move it quickly. So this is going to be the SUNNYFEEL. We'll get into the comparisons in a second and show you. So this one right over here, this is going to be the PUVASIA one right over here. This one, let's go over measurements here. I already know the measurements. It's 38 across right over here, about 17 off the ground. This one over here across is about 25. So big difference there. We'll go over that in a second. For this one, the back, we got about 24. The seat is about 22, if we're being generous there. This one over here now. So this one is very generous with the storage, but in different ways. So right over here, we have an insulated bag. So this insulated bag right over here could fit a lot of stuff. You could put ice in there if you wanted to. You could get, in terms of like standard sodas right over here, you could easily get 6 of them in there and you could stack them on top of each other. And you could put ice in there, so you could get 6 over there. You wanted to kind of put like water in here. This is a 16-ounce bottle. You could get about 4 or 5 in there as well. So lots of storage there. We got another pouch right over here. This one right over here actually has a dedicated wine holder, which is really cool. It's like this little circle here. One of my favorite parts about this chair. Something to note when you are using the wine holder, don't put the wine in the glass. Put it in here first. You kind of just push in a little bit and then pour your wine, because you got to push just a tiny bit. And the reason is this is super secure. Like, this glass isn't going anywhere out of here. That was kind of like a main concern that I might have had, but it's totally fine to go in there. Another thing, the other side now, we're going to go, you'll see right over here, this is the other side. So you got a kind of pocket right over here for whatever you want. You can put a phone in there. We have a zippered pocket over here. And for those who have Stanleys and stuff like that, this is not one, but this is a bigger water bottle. You have a pouch right there for that. You could even slide like a water bottle with that, and then you can't really jam it in, but you could get a water bottle and kind of like a Stanley in there. So, and then you also have the wine holder on the other side, so you could do either side there. All right, let's go. We'll go over kind of like the differences between these now. Can't go wrong with either one of these. Like I kind of said before, this could hold 500 pounds. This one right over here, this one is 300. I would say, so how do we use these? So this one right over here, this is kind of like, we're going to an outdoor outing, we're going camping, like we're going to a friend's campsite or something like that. We're gonna have some drinks and stuff like that. We kind of want that option. We're gonna want stuff to be cold, stuff like that. So right off the bat, if you want a bigger kind of like recliner chair, this is gonna be the one for you. You got 38 inches going across over here. You kind of sink into this one. This one, I think we said it was 25 going across. So definitely a little smaller on that aspect as well. Biggest difference here is this table on the side. And I absolutely love that when you're kind of eating outside. It's super annoying to kind of, if you're sitting on here, right? This chair is super comfortable, just like this. But if you have a plate of food, it's like, I don't know, it's kind of annoying to like cut or do something like that. You're kind of back. This is more for like relaxation and comfort. Whereas in this tray right over here, like if you were to eat on your thing, you're good. And then you also have this, you could be like cutting food over here as well. So that's like a major difference for me too. They both come with carrying cases. You actually get 2 of these chairs. You only get 1 of those when you order them. You could probably fix that if you wanted to. So I'd say this is going to be great if you're kind of eating and doing stuff like that. This is going to be more of kind of like drinking, having fun, or even going to like an outdoor sporting event, watching your kids play or something, just having a nice chair to just kind of relax in. You're watching baseball all day or whatever you're doing. There's that. They're both easy to fold. They both come in bags like this. One of the biggest differences of these, so for the SUNNYFEEL right over here, it folds in right over here, folds really nicely. This has handles here. For this one right over here, this has a strap on it right over here. So big difference there. This you can't really strap over you. Maybe if like, I don't know, maybe I just have like broad shoulders or something. So you might be able to do that, but it's not heavy at all. So it's not a big deal. So yeah, you're looking for some great outdoor chairs. Can't go wrong with either one of these. For me, this is great for like eating. If you're at a campsite, stuff like that, you're mainly going to be focused on that. You kind of want to sit up a little. This is going to be like ultimate relaxation, having some drinks, or you're outside watching a sporting event. Can't go wrong with either one of these. Both super sturdy. This one can hold up to 500 pounds. This is 300 or 350. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful and you find the right outdoor chair for you.